Hello, my name is Anastasia Weigel, and I'm the Director for the Caribou Public Library. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search our catalog using a keyword search, a title search, an author search, and a subject search. So let's start with keyword search. A keyword search allows you to search for books by searching the title, the summary, or the subject field all at once. So say you're looking for books on flowers, and you do a keyword search, it's going to bring you lots of books, actually lots of materials that pertain to flowers, not just the specific topic you're looking for. Let's say, for example, flower arranging, but also juvenile books, nonfiction books, and so forth. So that is what a keyword search is. It looks for the word in the title, it looks for the word in the synopsis, it even looks for the word in the subject, which is right here. So what you want to do is you really want to narrow your search down. You want to make it easier to find what you're looking for. So type in flowers, arrangement, and let's do it as a subject. Now the books come up are all about flower arrangement or arranging flowers, and that's more efficient and allow you to see what you really want to find. If you find a book you like, you can see it's in. It says 1 of 1 available. Touches to the main library, and there's your call number. If it wasn't in, it would say 0 of 1. Now let's say you want to search a title for flower arrangement. Here it does bring books on flower arrangements, but look how many it brings. It brings you 1, 2, 3, 4, just 4 books. And yet you remember in the previous search with the subject, you had more than 4 books. So subject heading is a good way to search when you're looking for a specific topic. Let's do an author search. So looking for books by James Patterson. So it comes up Patterson James, author. So here we have 4 pages of books and materials written by James Patterson. Lots of materials. They are in alphabetical order, starting with numbers first, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th, 15th, 16th, seduction. Then it goes to First to Die, Second Chance. And as you go down, you start seeing the alphabet. Books that start with the A, and then B, and so forth. They're in alphabetical order. So you can find books, titles of books that way. Now, if you look on the left, we can actually narrow this search down. We have these books by James Patterson. We're only interested in the audiobooks. So now we have only the audiobooks. If you want to remove that, just remove that. And now you can just select just books. But you can also select by age. So you want to know what books are written by James Patterson that are in the teen room, young adult. So here are all the books that James Patterson has written that are in the teen room. So here in the left are different ways that you can narrow down your search by material and age. Title search is very easy. For a title search, you want to have the correct title. If you don't have the correct title, you won't find it right away. So let's do a little bit of let's pretend we're looking for a book called Dark Rivers of the Heart. Now the actual title is Dark Rivers of the Heart. And it comes up. So here it is. Title. So we have it. It's in the main library by the author's last name. All fiction books are in order by the author's last name, alphabetical by the author's last name. Now, if you don't know the exact title of a book, unlike Google, which says, did you mean this instead of that, the catalogs don't do that. So let's say I'm looking for a book. You're looking for a book that you want Dark Rivers of the Heart, but you're just not sure. So you think, well, maybe, I know it's got the word dark in it. I know it's got the word rivers in it, but I'm not quite sure. So now you're guessing. So in that case, you just type in dark river, and do a keyword search. So here's a book called Dark River, but it's not that one. Dark Rivers of the Heart by Dean Koontz. So that's another way. So if you're looking for a title and you're not quite sure, but you think it has certain words in it, I would do a keyword search. So then it'll look for those words in the title. But if you know the exact title, I would do a title search. Because if we have it, it will come up. Now let's do one more thing. Let's do a genre search. Genre is types of stories, like science fiction books, Western books, mystery books, horror. I'm interested in what we have in science fiction books, so I type in science fiction. And I do it as a subject search. So here we have 13 pages full of materials that relate to science fiction, DVDs, classics, large print. So when I do this, I certainly want to take advantage of my material type. I want to know what kind of science fiction movies we have. So I select DVD. And now I can see what we have. Our science fiction movies are by the numbers. So there you go. If I'm interested in not DVDs, but I'm interested in young adult books that are science fiction, then I can just do an age group search. So that's how you want to do a genre searches. Let's do one more for genre. Horror. Subject. So here we have a bunch of materials that are related to horror fiction. And again, I can determine how many DVDs we have that are horror films, how many audiobooks that are horror genre, or young adult horror books. So here is young adult horror books. So this also allows you to narrow down your searches. So that's how we can search for keyword searches, which searches the entire catalog record. It'll search for the word in the title, the summary, or subject heading. We have title searches, just searching a title. This works really great if you have the exact title. But again, if you just know, I think it has this and that word in the title, do a keyword search. That'll work best for you. You can search for author, and you can certainly narrow down those books written by an author by the type of material, like audiobook or just books, as well as age group. And subject is wonderful when you're looking for something specific, like we use flower arranging or even genre. And that's how you use our catalog.